Hi, I'm Brandon Boswell, and today I'm going to show you a secret superpower of Alfred that'll let you launch literally anything on your Mac. That superpower is bookmarks. Let me show it to you. One of the first things that you learn when starting to use Alfred is that you can hit Option Space to launch Alfred, and then you can type in any application that you want. So I can type in Spotify or Slack or Zoom, whatever apps that you use on a daily basis. But one of the things I found myself running up against is more and more of the applications that I'm using are actually websites, sometimes even websites that I'm building. And I couldn't get to those websites quite as easily. Something that I learned way too late is that you can actually access your bookmarks from within Alfred. Now, I'm a heavy bookmark user, and what I typically do is I'll have them go across the top of my browser. So this is my work email, this is my personal email, my calendar, TickTick, Notion, Jira, all the apps that I access often. But I'm not always in my browser, and there's probably about 5 times this number of items that I need to access on a daily basis. One strategy I could employ here is basically putting everything on this bookmark bar. And in some ways, I've tried that with varying levels of success. But there are just more pages that I need to access than I can possibly put on this bar, and especially not if I want to have descriptions for all of them. So the strategy that I landed on is creating a folder of bookmarks of all the pages that I want to be able to access quickly from Alfred. So I have things like my personal email, my work email, all the pages I access in Jira, my TickTick daily calendar, anything that I may want to be able to get to quickly. And what I'll do is when I create these bookmarks, I'll name them whatever logical idea I associate with them. So whatever's going to trigger in my brain or that I'm going to think of when I want to launch this site, that's what I'll call that bookmark. So if I want to go to my personal email, all I have to tap is Option Space and then type email and press enter. And that'll take me to my personal email. Now, where this gets really powerful is I don't even need to be in Chrome. I could be on a different page or no page at all, and I can still get to my email just as easily. So let me show you how to set this up. All you have to do is press Option Space to launch Alfred, type Alfred to get to where you can launch your Alfred preferences, press enter. And this is going to launch your Alfred preferences. From here, if I just go to Features, Web Bookmarks is a feature within Alfred, and I just need to check Google Chrome bookmarks in my case. If you use Safari, obviously tap Safari. I just use Chrome. And then I have it set where I'll show bookmarks in default search results, and that makes it so I don't need to type an additional keyword. And this last setting controls which browser this page will launch into. In my case, I only use Chrome, so I could use either in default browser or in the bookmark source browser. It doesn't really matter in my case. But if you do use both Safari and Chrome, be sure to choose the right one. And that's it. Ever since I learned this trick, I now feel like I have access to all of the apps on my Mac, but also all the web pages I access on a daily basis as well. Have you ever used Alfred? If so, let me know in the comments. If this video is helpful to you, please drop a like, and please consider subscribing. Thanks, and have a great day.